Hey YouTube, it's Jeremy, and it's time for your 2 minutes of tools. What we got for you today is the A1310 steel bearing and race driver set. Brand new. Let's check this thing out. Nice sturdy case. Inside you're going to find 9 different driver discs, and then the handle as well. And this is kind of nice. We got a retaining ball on there, so all of these drivers fit on there and lock on. And with the 9 different sizes, it gives you a ton of different applications. Inside these drivers, you can see where it's machined out for that retaining ball to hold on to there. Great striking end at the end of the driver. Nice handle here, so it's going to absorb some of the impact when you're hammering on it. This is available as a steel kit, and you can get this as an aluminum kit as well. The disc size go anywhere from 1.56 up to 3.18. So the way that this thing works is you go ahead and you grab the handle, you grab one of the discs and you pop it on there real easy like we did before. But notice that these discs have 2 different sides. There's a tapered side here, and then there's also a flat side. And what you use that for is the flat side is used to push in the seals. The tapered side is what you'd use for the bearings. Once again, I appreciate all the support. Please keep subscribing like you are. Let us know down in the comments, which do you prefer, the steel type or the aluminum or both? Maybe there's some people out there that aren't sure, and your comments could help. That's what this is all about.